Welcome to Atlanta.
Are you recording something?
There's no reason to yell because people can record whatever they want walking down the street.
Don't you need releases from all these fine folks?
I don't give you consent to film. You filming me?
Yeah, we're filming.
What country are you from originally? Turkey. Yeah. I know one thing in Turkish. Okay, I know it.
Welcome to Atlanta. We're back in the Atlanta metro area, and today we're in a town called Decatur, Georgia. And as usual, we're going to walk around, take some photos, take some video, and see what kind of interesting stuff we can see here today. So stay tuned. Let's check out the town.
How you making out there, Watchmen?
What's up?
What's happening? Welcome to Decatur, Georgia.
Yeah.
Ready to go see how these folks are doing today?
Let's check it out.
Let's take a walk.
Hi, can I help you all?
Oh. How you doing?
How are you all?
Doing well, thanks.
Are you recording something?
I am. I was just about to get a shot of your sign.
Okay, what is it for?
I'm just making a video about Decatur.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
what are you guys recording?
The front of the store.
Oh, is it like for the city of Decatur or something?
No, we're just making a video about Decatur.
Oh, okay, cool. Just want to know.
Thanks.
Hey, thank you for not yelling at us. You have no idea how many people yell at us for taking pictures.
You know, the crazy part is people don't understand like the law. You can't yell at anybody for that. It's a public place. You
Right,
can record
right.
anything that you want to.
Yes.
I was just curious as
Oh
to
no,
why.
that's it.
But,
That's perfectly normal.
There's
Yeah.
no reason to yell because people can record whatever they want walking down the street. It
Absolutely.
doesn't matter. You know, your building, your car, whatever.
Yep.
It's public property.
That's
So,
it. No, I'm
like,
glad you understand that.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
also beyond that, not even just the legal aspect of it. What's the point of blowing up your day over somebody taking pictures
Yeah,
outside?
really. Because
Makes no sense.
if you don't want to be on camera, you can just not be on camera.
Yeah, just do
walk
what you
away.
do. Yeah, that's it. But I appreciate you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
What was your first name?
Ty,
My name's Jason. Ty.
Nice to
Pleasure
meet you, Jason.
Thank you.
Ben, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you as well. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
You too.
Hey guys, what y'all shooting? So this is good for you. Good shooting for us.
Just take a little video of the town.
What's that?
Just take a little video of Decatur.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I would probably.
I can't hear you, I'm
Are
sorry.
you guys gonna share it publicly?
It all depends on how it goes. We might
What's
might
it?
go on YouTube. Pictures might go on Instagram.
Gotcha.
Might go nowhere.
Don't you need releases from all these fine folks?
Do I need releases?
Yeah.
No, not at all.
No,
No.
because it's public.
Yeah, why would I need a release?
It's their image.
I guess
I would if I was the owner of the place. I would have to ask them. I'm just curious.
No, you don't have to ask anybody. Well, you're on private property. If you're taking pictures of your customers on your own private property, I guess that's a different story. I don't know.
We're just curious.
Yeah, no worries. I appreciate you. What's your first name?
Mike,
Mike. My name's Jason. Mike.
Jason, cheers.
Pleasure to meet you. man.
Yeah, you too.
All right, have a good day.
For any of you guys who are new here, we are traveling the country full time making these videos. Right now we're on a huge trip. We started out in the Coachella Valley in California, headed out to the Hamptons in New York, and now we're on our way down to the Keys in South Florida. So if you want to come along for the ride, now's a great time to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you want to check out the last time we were here in Atlanta, check out the Georgia playlist, link in the description.
Are you a videographer? Cinematographer?
Yeah, we're just making a video about Decatur.
Oh, good. Yeah, I do video production communications too.
Oh, cool.
Started my YouTube. But that's so awesome, that stand. I got to invest in it.
Thanks.
Have a beautiful week.
You too. Hoping it's going to stay there. I'm all...
You got it leaning a little bit.
Do y'all have like permits and stuff for that?
I'm sorry?
Do y'all have permits? and
A
stuff
permit?
like that? Yeah, I don't consent to be recorded or filmed.
Oh, then what? No, I'm just filming the store.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Did you reach out and have permits or consent for that?
No, no.
Because
Do you need a permit?
You do?
Really?
Yeah. I don't give consent for you to film.
Well, you
Alright.
keep talking to the camera, so.
I don't give you consent to film me.
I don't think I was filming you until
Not
you came
you,
out.
him. I'm speaking to him. Is there a reason why y'all filming?
Well, if you don't want to be on film,
I don't.
all right. Oh, no, you're good. Thank you. Have a great day. How y'all doing?
Good.
Too many smiles in here.
I know. Well, I thought you were recording us. I was like,
We're recording in front of the store.
oh, okay.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay.
Keep smiling.
Okay.
Thank you.
What is that?
No,
Huh? Hey. What
All
do
right.
you guys do?
I'll make you a deal. I'll tell you if you can tell me what kind of cigar brand this is. I'll tell you exactly what I'm doing. I'm offering a cigar brand.
I don't think we have that.
Huh?
No. Is that the Opus?
Yes.
Oh,
There you go. She
yes.
got Opus X.
I got it,
There you go.
okay.
Well, now I have to tell you.
Yeah, I have
So,
this.
what? Your first name?
Rukia.
Rukia.
Who's
My name is Jason.
Uh-huh.
This is my son Ben.
Nice to meet you.
And we make travel videos for YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just checking out Decatur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful place.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Yeah, she nailed it. Nailed it.
How's it going? Filming a video.
Where's the store?
I'm sorry?
Are you filming me?
Yeah, we're filming.
Really?
Yeah,
What kind of video is it?
just a video about Decatur.
Oh, okay. Well, my name is Nye.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just going to get closer because I can't hear you. You
do
look like you have something
hair,
interesting to say.
And I sell hair. I work at the glam shop. I go by Wins Extensions. We do wigs, makeup.
Okay.
I do sew-ins, tape-ins.
Do you have an Insta you want to shout out or anything?
I do. I wish I had a card.
No, just shout it out. I'm
Oh, my
recording.
Instagram is Nisu. N-I-Y with 3 Y's, S-W-U.
Okay.
And my hair page is Wins Extensions, W-Y-N-N-S, Extensions without the E.
Okay, cool. Got it.
So follow me.
I appreciate you smiling. Appreciate you being friendly, and have a good day.
As you
Have a
guys
great day.
Thank you.
Happens all the time. I was expecting that girl to ask what we were doing and then start giving us a hard time over it, and she actually just wanted to promote her Instagram and stuff, so that's cool. So friendly people so far here in Decatur, no issues, and that's the way it should be. We really appreciate it when it goes that way. So. All right, I just wanted to let you know, I saw you kept looking out there. We're just making a YouTube video about Decatur,
Oh, nice, nice.
so we're just checking it
I
out.
figured it was something about the city. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, just checking out all the businesses. Nobody's focusing on you.
I know.
Just want to like, what's your first name?
Come on.
Come on, my name's Jason.
All right, yo, okay, nice
Ben.
to meet
Pleasure to meet you, bro.
you. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
You too. So you guys gonna be doing that all day?
For a while.
Where is this gonna be going?
I'll let my boss talk to you.
Oh, it depends really what happens in the video and what shots we get and stuff. You know, it could go on YouTube, it could go on Instagram, or just nothing. Or,
I'm just curious.
Social media somewhere, possibly. If something interesting happens.
Nice.
You know.
Nice.
Although I shouldn't say that because every day is interesting. I appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Thank
It's like the opposite of Buckhead so far.
Yeah, right? Totally.
Last time we were here in the Atlanta area, we were in Buckhead, and way different experience over there. I mean, we had people shouting across the street at us to not take their picture when we weren't even facing in their direction. Really hate cameras over there. But so far here in Decatur, everybody's been pretty cool, and hopefully it stays like that.
Hey, please don't cut that off.
Me?
Don't cut
Oh
that
no,
off.
I work here.
Oh, good, good.
guys.
Oh. Right?
For Decatur, you guys doing?
Not for Decatur, but of Decatur.
Okay,
Yeah.
great,
Yeah.
great.
How are you?
Fine,
What's
my
your
name is
name?
Tony.
Tony, Jason.
All right.
Pleasure to meet you, Tony.
If I can help you, let me know.
Is this your store?
Yes.
Kismet? Yeah, very cool.
You know what Kismet is?
No.
Destiny.
Destiny.
Y'all making a
Oh, well, there you go.
Y'all
There you go.
making
So
a
you're a
movie?
very open-minded person.
Y'all making a
I have
movie?
to.
There you
I've
go.
been here 50 years only.
Only 50 years.
Yeah.
So now you broke it in.
In Atlanta.
There you go. That's what country are you from originally? Turkey. Oh, my
All
Turkey.
families.
I know one thing in Turkish.
Oh,
Siktir git.
okay. I know it. You see people teaching each other all the cuss words, you know.
Of course, always. Yeah. But I appreciate you. Thank you for being
No problem.
nice and friendly. And I guess it was Kismet that we wound up here tonight.
Definitely.
Thank you.
You saw what happened when we put 3 towels on. But I think
What's up? Making a video about Decatur, checking out the.
just in general.
Yeah,
Nice. What about Decatur?
just checking it out. We've never been here before, so.
Really? You guys are just film people?
Yeah, well, filming all the businesses and stuff. And,
Nice. Cool. Good
Somebody's got
stuff.
to do it, right?
Yeah. So for what purpose? I mean, where does it go? The videos?
some of them go on YouTube if it's an interesting video. Other
You
times.
just go to different towns and
Yeah.
film it. All right. Cool. Nice. Good stuff.
Thanks.
Got to create something for those people 100 years from now to watch on the History Channel. You know? Well, all right, guys, you saw how that went here in downtown Decatur, Georgia. Got to check out the town, take some photos, take some video, and you guys got to come along for the ride as usual. Amazingly, nobody lost their mind over a couple of guys walking around with cameras. We had a great friendly experience here. So if you enjoyed this video, you like what we do, and you want to see more of these videos and come along for the ride with us, best way to do that is to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my other social medias. So, watching Watchmen, out with Amagansett Press, here in Decatur, Georgia. See you on the next one, guys. Out.